guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd start this vlog out with a realistic gardening, and that's what we're doing here. I showed you videos of us tilling up the garden. I've got my tomatoes and peppers in, and I'm going to add more back to that. But this garden bed that you see behind me, I showed you where he tilled that up. We're going to lay some trusses down, and all I had was just some old post-it that I had dug up from the backyard, and I'm just gonna lay that down and have that be my wall or my barrier for my flowers. So I picked up these zinnias, and it says on here it takes 5 to 10 days to germinate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these seeds down, cover them up with a little bit of dirt and wait for them to germinate, and then I'm gonna go back with some mulch and put over top of it. I'm also going to plant my herbs like chives, basil, garlic. I'm going to plant it all right here so I can just come outside and just grab those as I need it. And then when the winter time gets here, I'll dry them and use them in my recipes. But y'all drop a comment below on what color mulch I need to use here, because I'm conflicted about using brown, black, or red. I kind of want to go with red because this is super rich soil. Because I feel like these zinnias are going to be about waist high, I think, waist high. So that'll leave plenty enough room for me to put my herbs on the outside, or maybe plant some more flowers. But I'm excited to do this, and I hope that you guys stay along for the journey for the whole thing. I'm also going to show you my grower lights that I use to plant my seeds to grow my sweet peas and different seeds that I use. I'll link those in the description box below. Also, give me a like, a subscribe. It helps the algorithm pick my videos up and lets them know that I'm on here to show content to you guys and some mom motivation. All of my stuff, I want to inspire moms and other parents to start gardening. It's so rewarding to have your own food grown here on your own property. Even if it's just potted plants, it's rewarding, and your kids get into it and they just love it. So let's get to it, and I hope y'all stay for the whole thing.
Okay, so here are the grower lights. I got these off of Amazon. I'm going to link these below if you guys are interested in purchasing a set of these. But they come in a 2-pack, and they have white and red lights, which promotes growing. So if you're in a zone that is hard to grow plants, it's easy to start these inside, and then you'll have your potted plants to take outside so that you can put them into your garden. They come with these cables that you can hang. I just put a zip tie on mine. That is the on and off switch. So they're super bright. You can tell in between the two. And they cover a whole lot of the plant, just about a whole tray. But I thought I'd show these to you guys in case you wanted some. I'm going to link them below. But look how good these turned out. These have probably been down here for about 12 weeks now. And these are my sweet peas. They're getting ready to go into the ground. They are thriving. But like I said, I just wanted to show this to you guys. They come with these little cables, as I'm showing you, and I zip tied them to the rafters because they needed to be a little bit closer to my plants in order to help them grow. But awesome find. I'm super happy with these. Okay, so here you'll see me repurposing some of the posts that I had dug up from the backyard. We weren't using them anyway, but I'm going to use this as a barrier for my mulch once I get that. But for right now, this is what I'm using to make it look pretty and to keep the lawnmower and the kids off of it, really the purpose for it. But I'm conflicted. You guys drop down below on what type of mulch I need to use. I want to use red, kind of leaning towards red, but I think brown would look pretty here too. And I'm going to plant some of these flowers and let them germinate first before I put that, so you won't see that part. So like and subscribe, because I will be uploading that video in about 4 weeks, and also doing an update on the garden where my tomatoes and peppers and those sweet peas that you've seen will be planted. And I'm thinking about doing corn, watermelon, and pumpkins. We did pumpkins last year and they did really good. Okay, so we rented this tiller just to get our garden area tilled up and finished. This thing was a handful and it did take us all day, and we did it in the rain. So some of these clips you'll see it raining, but it did help the soil in our favor. But I can't wait to get a tractor so that we can be able to do this more easily, because like I said, it was a handful. You can tell in the first couple of clips. But here's the garden area, and this is the gist of it. So it'll be almost about 7 to 13 feet long. So I'm looking to get that started and get all of my plants in so that we can have fresh vegetables for the summer and some to can over the winter. Okay, after all that hard work, I headed back inside to get the rest of the chores done. Now, I did this over a week's of time, but I do these motivational videos to help other mothers get motivated and get up and get the house chores done and do it in a seamless, fun way. But here you'll see me getting all the dishes done and then vacuuming up the floor, and then I'm going to head on into the living room and the bedrooms clean up all of those, get vacuum done, and just get motivated, get moving, and get things done. Okay, so I can't say enough good things about these spray bottles. If you've watched my video vlogs before, you know that I put concentrate and then fill the rest up with water. I'm also going to link these in the description box below because they save you money, they save you time, and you don't have to waste, purchasing multiple products to clean your house, because I use about the same thing to wipe down and clean all my multi-surface stuff. But as I'm doing this, I'm sitting here thinking about what all I'm going to put in my garden. And my little girl, she decided that she wanted to do some pumpkins. Like I said, last year they turned out really nice. We did jack-o'-lanterns with them. But I haven't never done corn. So I'm thankful to be experimenting with that one this year. And y'all stay tuned, because in 4 weeks I'm going to give you guys a full update of what all I planted and how things are doing and how they're growing. I also would love to have them sweet peas just develop, because I've never grown those either. And they're a good little snack to have whenever you have, salads, or just to have on hand to pack in the kids' lunch boxes and all that stuff. But here you'll see me going into the bedroom, and it's also laundry day, so we're going to get all that laundry picked up and put away, and then I'm going to move on to dinner. Okay, so here you'll see me cutting open the packages of chicken. I get this from a local farmer. I'm a big advocate for getting stuff locally. I try to do my best on finding stuff locally because it just tastes better and the meat is more authentic, and I know what goes into these chickens and the feed that they use to produce these. But here you'll see me just washing up the chicken and getting it all prepped. My kids like chicken tenders, so what I did is just sliced up a chicken breast, and we're going to do barbecue, applewood barbecue on theirs. And then the other side is, I can't speak today. The other side is chicken thighs, and I'm just going to toss these in the air fryer and cook them up. I'll also link this below because I use this thing every single day on anything the kids want. It's just quick, easy, and get it out the door and it's done. And then on the other side, I'm going to do a lemon peppered chicken thigh, and we're going to cook those in the air fryer as well. Okay, I'm also going to make some crescent rolls to go with my corn, chicken, and mac and cheese. That's what we had for dinner tonight. But I love this Parmesan buffalo sauce. I always put it on most of my chicken that we eat, but it goes good with like a lemon or a barbecue flavor, and the kids like to dip their chicken in it. And then I added some macaroni and cheese. A tip to everyone out there, I buy the big blocks of Velveeta cheese so I don't have to buy the little packages, and then I sprinkle a little bit of regular Monterey Jack cheese or Colby Jack cheese, whatever I've got in the refrigerator. But yeah, that's what we're having tonight, is some corn, mac and cheese, chicken, and crescent rolls. And I forgot to film, but we did do blueberry muffins as well.
What happened?
I flew the muffin.
Did you get all the eggs?
I like the baby one. I will have it.
The baby, were they out?
Huh?
Were they out?
Yeah, they're out.
They were out?
Yeah, they were. Like that. Come see. You guys have...
Okay, so after dinner, we decided to come outside and get some playtime in, and I thought I'd share that little moment with you guys. She loves to pick out the eggs, and we wanted to come outside and get some playtime in before bedtime. But that's one of her favorite things to do. But this concludes the vlog. I hope you guys grab some motivation, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned. I will be uploading another video this Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have a blessed weekend and a wonderful day. See y'all!